Hi foodies, welcome to Neema's kitchen, and today I'm going to make 4 types of lassis: Punjabi Lassi, Mango Lassi, Masala Mint Lassi and Rose Lassi. These lassis are very tasty and different from each other. It's a refreshing drink that is really perfect to beat the heat. So first, let's start off with a base for our flavored lassis. In this, I've got around 1.5 liters of thick chilled yogurt. With this, you can make around 5 medium-sized glasses of lassis. So, let's start. Into this yogurt, let's add around 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, You can decrease the quantity of sugar as per your sweetness. Now, to blend this out, I have taken a churner. If not, you can use a whisk. Now, let's blend it out. Keep churning till it is blended well and smooth. It's ready. Now, let's pour this base into 4 bowls each and then we can start off. See how it looks thick and creamy. So first, let's make a Punjabi Lassi or sweet lassi. Into this base, I'm going to add in the flavors. For this, I've taken 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/2 teaspoon of rose water and few strands of saffron and mix it up. Combine well. This gives it a nice flavor and aroma to our lassi. This looks perfect, and now let's keep this aside and then let's garnish it later while serving. Let's now work on the second variety, the mango lassi. For that, to the base, I'm going to add in a fresh mango pulp. I've taken around 1 cup of the fresh mango pulp. I've added some small pieces of mangoes too, which is extremely delicious. Now, into this, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a drop of rose water, but it's optional. Just a drop, and then combine well. It smells so good. Next, let's go for the third lassi, the mint masala lassi. For that, I've taken some mint leaves, coriander leaves and 1-inch piece of ginger, which I'm going to crush this out using a blender, and then I'll come back. Let's add the blended extract. Then 1/2 teaspoon of black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, and if you have chaat masala, then you can use 1/2 teaspoon of chaat masala too, and mix it well. Now, we'll keep this aside for our final touching. Our 3 flavored lassis are ready. Next is our final lassi, the rose lassi. For that, to the base, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of rose syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of grated nutmeg and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Combine well. It's done. See, all the 4 varieties of lassis are ready. Now let's pour this into 4 glasses. So let's start off with our Punjabi Lassi. To a glass, I'm going to drop in 2 ice cubes and then pour in the mixture. Now let's top up with some malai, few almonds and some pistachios and few strands of saffron. The Punjabi Lassi is done. Next comes our mango lassi. So first goes in ice cubes, few chopped mangoes, and then goes in our lassi. And top it up again with few chopped mango slices, and some cashews, chopped cashews. Now comes a mint masala lassi. To the glass, ice cubes, some mint leaves and the lassi. And let's garnish it with some almonds, a pinch of cumin powder, some pistachios and mint leaves. It's done. And here comes our last variety, the rose lassi. So to a glass, I'm going to drop in ice cubes, and then goes in the lassi. And now let's top up with some cherries and some rose syrup. Our rose lassi is done. See, all our lassis are ready. Looks absolutely delicious and extremely refreshing to drink. Guys, you can make this base and keep it in the refrigerator and use it whenever you want to beat the heat. All of them are indeed very delicious. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video with another tips and tricks.